10 towns built on forgotten British innovations. Britain's story isn't just castles, cobbled streets, and afternoon tea. It's gears turning in hidden workshops, sparks flying in brick factories, and bold ideas born in towns most people now drive straight past. Across England, Scotland, and Wales, entire communities rose because someone invented something new, a process, a machine, a system that quietly changed the world. Over time, many of those breakthroughs faded from public memory, yet the towns remain. In 10 towns, built on forgotten British innovations, we travel from 10 to 1, uncovering places shaped by ideas that once powered the nation and still echo today. 10. Saltburn-by-the-Sea, England. Perched dramatically on the North Yorkshire coast, Saltburn-by-the-Sea wasn't simply a Victorian seaside dream. It grew from a bold 19th century transport innovation, the expansion of the Stockton and Darlington Railway network. Railway entrepreneurs saw potential in linking industrial Teesside to the coast, effectively engineering a new resort town from farmland. The real innovation here was infrastructure-led urban planning. Saltburn's pier, opened in 1869, and the water-balanced cliff lift, introduced in 1884, represented cutting-edge Victorian engineering. The cliff lift still operates today, using the original water counterbalance system, a rare surviving example of sustainable mechanical design from the era. Tourism, built on railway connectivity, was revolutionary at the time. Entire towns like Saltburn emerged because industrial transport networks made leisure travel affordable for working families. It was a social and economic innovation as much as a technical one. A reminder that railways didn't just move coal, they reshaped culture. 9. Blaenavon, Wales. High in the South Wales valleys, Blaenavon became a powerhouse of iron production in the late 18th century. The innovation? Large-scale ironworks powered by advanced blast furnace technology. The Blaenavon Ironworks, established in 1789, refined production methods that helped Britain dominate global iron markets. This wasn't small experimentation, it was industrial transformation. Improved smelting techniques allowed stronger, more consistent iron production, feeding railways, bridges, and machinery across the empire. Today, Blaenavon is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, preserving the remains of furnaces and workers' housing. It stands as a monument to metallurgical innovation that few outside industrial history circles discuss anymore. Without towns like Blaenavon, Britain's industrial expansion simply wouldn't have happened. 8. Bournville, England. On the southern edge of Birmingham lies Bournville. Not just a chocolate village, but a radical social experiment. Built by the Cadbury family in the late 19th century, Bournville pioneered model village planning for workers. The innovation wasn't chocolate production, though Cadbury refined manufacturing efficiency. It was humane industrial design. Wide streets, green spaces, quality housing, and community facilities were integrated into factory life. This was forward-thinking corporate responsibility long before the term existed. The Bournville Village Trust continues to manage the estate today. Bournville influenced later garden city movements and urban planning philosophy across Britain. It quietly reshaped how industrial towns could function, balancing productivity with quality of life. 7. Swindon, England. Swindon owes its existence to the Great Western Railway. When Isambard Kingdom Brunel selected the site for major railway works in the 1840s, the town transformed almost overnight. The innovation here was precision railway engineering. Swindon Works became one of Europe's largest railway manufacturing centres, building and maintaining locomotives that powered Britain's transport revolution. The mechanics developed systems for standardisation and efficiency that influenced manufacturing practices nationwide. Although the railway works closed in the 1980s, the town's layout, housing estates, and even cultural identity still reflect that original engineering leap. Swindon stands as proof that transport innovation didn't just connect towns, it created them. 6. Saltburn, England. Near Bradford sits Saltburn, founded in 1851 by Sir Titus Salt. Like Bourneville, this was a purpose-built industrial village. But its innovation lay in textile production. Salt consolidated wool processing into a single massive mill, Salt's Mill, integrating multiple stages of manufacture under one roof. This vertical integration improved efficiency dramatically. Combined with model housing and civic buildings, Saltburn became a prototype for organised industrial communities. The town survives today as a UNESCO site, and Salt's Mill remains one of Britain's most impressive industrial structures. Its influence on factory organisation and town planning is often overlooked, yet it helped define Victorian industrial systems. 5. Barrow-in-Furness, England. Barrow rose from a small fishing village to a global shipbuilding centre in the 19th century. Its innovation was steel ship construction. The discovery of rich iron ore deposits nearby fueled rapid industrialisation. Barrow's shipyards became pioneers in submarine design, particularly through Vickers, now BAE Systems. Early submarine engineering here shaped naval technology worldwide. Though shipbuilding employment declined in the late 20th century, submarine construction continues in Barrow today. The town's identity remains tied to maritime engineering, a specialised innovation few people associate with this quiet corner of Cumbria. 4. Port Sunlight, England. Built by William Lever in 1888 for workers of his soap factory, later Unilever, Port Sunlight represents another leap in industrial philanthropy. The forgotten innovation here was in manufacturing chemistry and branding. Lever Brothers advanced soap production techniques and mass marketing strategies that transformed everyday hygiene products into household staples. Port Sunlight itself showcased architectural diversity, green spaces, and community institutions. It influenced corporate town planning globally. Modern consumer branding owes much to Lever's strategies developed alongside this Merseyside village. 3. Corby, England. Corby became synonymous with steelmaking in the 20th century. The town expanded rapidly when Stewart and Lloyd's relocated operations there in the 1930s, pioneering new steel tube manufacturing techniques. The innovation was large-scale steel tube production, essential for construction, energy infrastructure, and engineering. Corby's planned expansion included housing estates designed to support industrial labour at scale. When the steelworks closed in 1980, it marked one of Britain's most significant industrial transitions. Yet the manufacturing expertise developed there helped modernise steel fabrication techniques nationally. 2. Telford, England. Named after civil engineer Thomas Telford, this Shropshire new town symbolises 18th century engineering ingenuity. The nearby Iron Bridge, completed in 1779, was the world's first major cast iron bridge. The innovation was structural engineering in iron. This breakthrough demonstrated that metal could replace stone for major infrastructure, paving the way for modern bridges and skyscrapers. Telford's later 20th century development as a planned new town built on that engineering legacy. It embodies Britain's transition from iron experimentation to modern urban planning. 1. Letchworth Garden City, England. At number 1 in 10 towns, built on forgotten British innovations, stands Letchworth, the world's first garden city. Founded in 1903 by Ebenezer Howard's vision, it introduced a revolutionary urban planning concept, blending town and country. The innovation wasn't machinery, but design philosophy. Letchworth integrated housing, industry, green belts, and cooperative ownership into a single sustainable model. Garden City principles influenced town planning worldwide, from Welwyn Garden City to suburban developments across continents. The idea that cities could be carefully designed for health, balance, and community began here. While modern developments often reference garden living, few remember Letchworth's pioneering role. Yet its planning innovation reshaped how urban growth could work, making it the most transformative example in 10 towns built on forgotten British innovations. Britain's towns weren't accidents, they were living experiments, bold answers to new technology, new industries, and new ways of thinking. From iron bridges to model villages, these places prove innovation built more than machines. It built communities, and their legacy still quietly shapes modern Britain today. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.